So Mafamba aku Vaku lava kaya ku ri ka Nkanelo wa Gingirikani Mandla le Gingirikani wa ka Mashava. A ni swi tivi ku mi twa njhani intro leyiwani, ni twi nga ri ku na ku bayisiseka nyana laha, swa bayiseka nyana swilo swa kona. Namuntlha hi dyela hi Mafamba guys, hi va ku heleketa single leyi nga huma, a fanele a humese single yin'wana a kha ku featuring Dr. Shirimani. A ni swi tivi ku humeleni yona, a ni swi tivi ku yona leyi na, but it's just Mafamba alone here. Let's listen to him and yeah, but ni twi nga ri intro leyi na confusion nyana. That roll, something is wrong. Sorry guys, magati koro. Guys, mi vula ku this song was made ka Team Shirimani. Ayi vonen. Hey, inga shatalo yana Mafamba la. Palago ya ku helaka. It doesn't sound like so much Team Shirimani, guys. This is not the Mafamba that I know. This is not the Mafamba that I know. There is a Mafamba that I know. This is the Mafamba that I know, that I once spoke to Nkanelo Gingirikani. You know, he was here. Unfortunately, this interview niwene isusa makati copyright issues. Mara lokmila wangati ni sela niwene isusa interview le one. But I felt like la I bule he launch ya yena le abena yona a Palms na le the Twins atembisa loka launch album ena le nga uma 2018 by nga ita Shikweleti. Anto ngari that was for me his best offering so far. Shikweleti dishwa. Actually, Mafamba la ku hava munhu nga ta hanya a ri hava Shikweleti, and I feel like songwriting, production, everything for me it works. This works. Did you hear that roll? That for me is a roll, not let's say swingala. Gab, chapet, what's chase, what's Mafamba ashfamba la, ashfamba 120. I look shis, gonna man. La Fambi's bag. Hi, let's see. I'm not sure about this. Oh, so you think yaku emunhu loyi a nga famba siyan'wana a ya ti groovini kumbexani kwalomu famba a ku na ti-lockdown vanhu va chuchekini sweswiwani ti-lockdown ti pfurini guys. Vanhu va famba va siya vana na vakhegula, va siya vana na vamalume, kuma ku swi swi rila va xi nyika danuni va xi nyika yini, kambe ku na mfanelo wa veri a nga yi tivi danuni wa hemba loyi a nga yi tivi danuni va xi nyika danuni xi nga nwi xi nga dyi xi lava masi xi lavele. So it's a good theme. it's educational. But in terms of production, I'm not sure. You can't tell me this song was made Katim Shirimani. I doubt. I just doubt. I doubt 100%. I want to see this Mafamba mina. Let's say maybe somewhere here. This for me was Mafamba. Siraraman. You know, message 100%, songwriting 100%. You know, another song that I like from this album it's here somewhere here. Yeah, I think he was performing at the Twins Lawan Mafamba. Fambi's bag. You know, guys, this is the Mafamba at its best. Good production, good songwriting, everything is 100%. What happened to that? You know, many cobra lefete la como kakaya ni ya wes. Ashar kona sinchichini say Mafamba tlangero susungwana Australia. We have to ask those questions. What happened? You know, I'm not sure, guys. Maybe ngumtanjela kwalan. Do you think this song is good enough? You know, would you play this song in your car listening to it? I don't think I would. It's not a good song. This is actually a whack song. This is crap. In terms of message for this song, I will rate it maybe. I'll give it good percentages for songwriting or the theme. Maybe let me say the theme. I like the theme. Something is wrong with this song. This is not Mafamba that I know. The fun thing about this song is that look, what because there's over singing and vashinda kotala ngovu tinkambi kuba va endla over singing because kuma kuba ringeta compensate la ku nga hoxeka hikuva endla over singing. A lot of artists are doing it, especially Kashikaza. But I don't think this song is good enough. It's a no for me. It's a no from me. This is the kind of Mafamba I want to see. Okay, I'm not sure about that dancing, but you know, not sure. I popped out, Brooklyn. No guys mtabyela asi kumbe swihlekisa kwini swibuleriyani ku va ku lava kaya ra Mafamba mina ni tshemba ku hayi a ri kahle swibuleriyani. It's a crap song. It's a very crap song. And the reason I'm saying it because I want to see an improvement, because I know what Mafamba can do. I know what Team Shirimani can do with regard to Mafamba. We've seen it before. Ngozi ya Mafamba na Joe Shikweleti. You know, so many nice, beautiful songs he's done from Team Shirimani. Mara Shoshwan ngara si angabang prioritize. I don't know, maybe Maoko sekutelenyana Shoshwani. Kuna bo psychology Prince Rangani, Dr. Joe Shirimani, Praise, kuna Ntsako Shirimani, kuna Ganyoka, kuna Mambaolele now. Then kuna manungwan ninga ngusihandle. Yeah, ba Samson. So kutele lero maybe na COVID ngaba yingenelelini ku banga swniki nkarhi swo swa Mafamba, mara ntu ngari hayi leswi vanhu va n'wi delela. Leswi ku why vanhu straight, this is not working. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work for me. This one doesn't work for me. It doesn't work for me. It will never work for anybody. I know it won't work for anybody. You guys will tell me, Mina, I'm not feeling this song at all. I feel like this is whack. This is crap. Why Mafamba la? I've had Nikitil for Mafamba. I don't know why. Maybe I'm chilling, ching chong, you know. But anyway, Nkanelo Gingirikani Mandla Gingirikani mina. Ngwina valanguteri va Nkanelo Gingirikani kana mkhensa swa kwa mina ngutiri Nkanelo Gingirikani na mina le gere nikadu ekes dorst kitswele klinyora. I'm thirsty ntotora. Salute. Minga titimeli. I'll give this song 5 enough. Just for the theme.